Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about color gels lacquers from Redken and Shades Q. If you didn't already know, they came out with a bunch of new red and copper shades and they're really pretty. So today I'm going to go over a few of them and show you what they actually look like on a live model. Here I have some of them. I'm really excited about Flame. It's 7RR and it's going to be paired really well with the new color gels lacquer 6RO Bonfire. So there's a lot of new pairs they're going to pair really well. As you know, Color Gels Lacquers is the permanent sister of Shades Q, and you guys know how obsessed I am with Shades Q. So today we're going to do my most popular smudge and tone technique on a really gorgeous redhead model, and I'm going to show you not only how I smudge and tone, but how I like to use Color Gels Lacquer at the base for more of a permanent long-lasting effect, and then I like to use Shades Q through what I call Zone B and C, which is mid through ends, just to refresh those reds. You guys know how quickly reds fade, so these products are perfect and they add the most amazing shine to any canvas of hair. Shades Q makes me a better stylist, literally behind the chair every single day. I cannot live without it. So with that being said, let's get into all things red, and it's gonna be super fun. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and base her. I have my formula ready to go. You can see the nice consistency Color Gels has. You can actually have this consistency now with Shades Q if you mix it with the Precision Developer. Go ahead and apply the smudge, and then we'll let it sit. Now we're going to go ahead and finish the front side. I like to take vertical sections away from the face, working from the back of this section all the way towards the face to keep everything really nice and clean. All right, so when you are blending your smudge and tone, I like to apply my Shades Q right where I applied my smudge. That way there's a nice transition spot, and then I just bring everything down. And we're just going to continue like this through the front and let it sit for 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and let the Color Gels Lacquers and Shades Q sit on for about 15 more minutes. So this is the beautiful after. You can see how shiny and gorgeous it looks. I'm really excited about these new tones in the Color Gel Lacquers and Shades Q. They're perfect for fall, but they're just so much more vibrant, and I love the pigment. So have fun, and I'd love to see your color creations. Thanks for watching this video.